This is Motorola Moto X40, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So first step is to download the free app called Caffeine. So that's the tool that allows us to set custom values for the auto screen off parameter and even set its value to never. So let's wait for the app to be installed. Then launch it, make sure that the timeout parameter or section of the app is set to the infinite value, and as long as the Caffeine app stays active, so make sure not to accidentally turn it off or stop the app, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all, no matter for how much time it will be in idle status. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching and bye bye.